All right. Identity theft. Yo, y'all need to stop this credit sweep stuff. Stop it. If there's anyone online telling you to do a credit sweep, stop it. You are going to land yourself in jail. Stop it, stop it, stop it. Now let's get to the identity theft. When it comes to identity theft, guys, all you need to do is follow the law. That's it. Just follow the law. Stop doing weird stuff that's going to get you in serious legal troubles. All right. So when it comes to identity theft, the law that deals with identity theft is 15 USC 1681 C2. So 15 USC 1681 C2. Right. When we go to 15 USC 1681 C2, it's clear. The law tells us what we need to do. So when we go to a blocking of information from identity theft, the law tells us that, except as otherwise provided in subsection A, in this section, a consumer reporting agency shall block reporting of any information in the file of a consumer that the consumer identifies as information that resulted from an alleged identity theft, not later than what? 4 business days after the date of receipt of such information. So the identity theft letter that you guys are seeing below, right? You're going to use this identity theft letter. You're going to send in appropriate proof of identity, a copy of an identity theft report. So let's explore this. Identity theft report. The term identity theft report has the meaning given to that term by the Bureau and means, when we say Bureau, guys, please, Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian, they are not bureaus. We're talking about the CFPB, which is the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, or the Bureau of Finance and Protection. All right. So that alleges an identity theft. That is a copy of an official valid file report by a consumer. All right, so let's go back from the top. When it comes to identity theft report, right, the term identity theft report has the same meaning given to that term by the rule of the Bureau and means at a minimum a report that A, that alleges that an identity theft, B, that is a copy of an official valid report filed by a consumer. So when it talks about a valid report, this is what we're referring to. This is where you go to identitytheft.gov. And when you go to identitytheft.gov, this is where you make your official FTC affidavit, okay? So your FTC affidavit, you are going to use this FTC affidavit in conjunction to the requirements under 15 USC 1681 C2, which is a copy of the identity theft report, the identification of such information by the consumer, and a statement by the consumer that the information is not information relating to any transaction by the consumer. So the identity theft letter that's below has all that information. So what's missing here is your appropriate proof of ID, the FTC affidavit, and if you're a legitimate victim of identity theft, you use this to get the items deleted. However, it's not what you know, it's what you can prove. If you can prove identity theft exists by someone using an identification of you knowingly without a permissible purpose, you can also prove an alleged identity theft. So more advanced strategy is discussed in my mentorship in my university, but for right now, you can use this identity theft letter in conjunction with what is required by the federal law, and you can get items deleted from your credit.